Hey folks, this is 2022 Valor made by Alliance. I'm LmKeith here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon at BISH'S RV, and I'm going to show you around this fun toy hauler. It's got great slides, it's got 2 entrances. I'm going to show you how easy it is to open up this cargo door. One person, I'm not big, I'm not strong, and it's on the cable, so I'm not going to put it all the way down, but so we've basically got a lovely porch. There are the sidewalls that come out, and there's glass doors, so you can sit on your patio and you've got a whole extended extra room. And undo the cables and it goes all the way to the ground, so you can load and unload any of your toys. And this one does take a special rig to pull it, not just your little 4Runner. It's got extra slides. This slide is in the kitchen. Okay folks, we've got lots of storage. This goes all the way through to the other side. So again, you can put all your long stuff in there, your extra tents, extra canopies, kayak probably, whatever you like to haul around in the toy hauler. And this toy hauler is so great because you can fit so much and you can take lots of family with you. So that's fabulous. We'll go on through, start in the kitchen, since that's where we come with this doorway. And we've got a full-size fridge. We've got a great stove, tons of prep space, which I absolutely love. Also tons of storage, beautiful storage with the glass doors. Lots of room. And the drawer freezer down here. Again, lots of nice space, very organized. Tons of drawers, cupboards. We've got a pantry over here. Light comes on when you open it. LED lights, so they're extra fancy. Nice, comfy living space here. The ends are, well, I think they're all actually recliners. Nice big screen TV when you're not playing on all your toys that you're hauling. Got the great fireplace. And then back here is the cargo area. Awesome because there is a washer dryer hookup. There's all this space, your extra door, and these are the glass doors that open up out onto your little patio if you're going to use it. And retractable bunks, which I'll show you that because it's pretty darn cool. And there's 2 of them. There's a bunk up top, and then there's the couch that folds up down below. And see, it stops on its own. You don't have to worry about it. You just push the button and it keeps going. Stops when it's supposed to. So you can actually have 2 big beds for tons of people, or you can have the couch and the bed. And there we go. Plenty of room. And if we come over here, there's a wall-mounted TV for your viewing pleasure. You could even sit out on your patio and watch TV with both of the bunks up. Got an extra bathroom here, just a little half bath, which is absolutely perfect when you have a lot of people hanging out. Don't ever want anybody to have to wait for a bathroom. We know this. If you have any children or anybody that you live with, much easier. Have multiple bathrooms. We'll go up here into the master space. Got the Jack and Jill bathroom doors. Huge shower. Lovely color scheme all throughout the unit. And both of the doors are the barn doors, so they're the cool trendy ones. And we'll unlock it and it slides nice and smooth. So you can either have privacy while you're in the bathroom or leave it open, so easy access for everybody else. Big queen size bed. Got extra storage everywhere. Got your own reading lights. Tons of storage in this closet. We've got all the different sliders. So you've got a hanging rack there on the one side. If you're a clothes horse like me, you need all this space. And then you got the center one. Plenty of room in there. You could actually sleep in there. You know, if a kid needed a extra space, then, you know, right in there. They like little cubbies sometimes. And then you got this one over here. It's plenty of room. You got drawers here. Hidden storage right in here. Velvet lined. So it's ready for jewelry, keys, anything. Got your wall mounted TV. So plenty of light in here, and if you're interested, give us a call here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. This is the Valor made by Alliance 2022. Thank you.